Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia's e-learning class of English Grammar Class 4. So today we are going to do the bookwork of Chapter 8 Adverbs. Question A. Circle the adverbs and underline the verbs. So what you have to do here? You have to circle the adverbs and underline the verbs. For example, the old man walked slowly. So here walked is verb. So I underlined it. Slowly. Slowly here is the adverbs. So I have circle it. Likewise, you have to do it. Now next one is B. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. Write in the blanks whether the adverbs tells you how, when or where about the verbs. So first you have to underline the word adverbs here. And after that you have to tell us whether the adverb tells you how, when or where. Like first one is done for you. Let us leave our bags here. So I have underlined it here because it is an adverb. And what the adverb is telling us? Where. Likewise, all have been done for you. C. Fill in the blanks with how adverbs given below. So here in the box, how adverbs have been given here. So what you have to do, you have to pick out the correct one and you have to write down in their correct blanks. For example, we must dash with everyone. So here you can write politely. We must speak politely with everyone. Likewise, all have been done for you. D. Tick the correct adverbs that will complete these sentences. So what you have to do, you can see there is a two option here of the adverb. You have to tick the correct adverb. For example, please come home early or yesterday. So the correct answer will be early. Please come home early. E. Choose suitable where adverbs to fill in the blanks. So you can see in the blanks all the adverbs have been written there. What you have to do? You have to pick out the correct one and write down in there correct fill in the blanks. Like Meenal dash made some lavender for guest. So the answer will be quickly. Meenal quickly made some lavender for guest. Now next one is F. Make adverbs from these adjectives. So we have already learnt in our previous video that when we have to change adjective into adverbs, we put ly in it. We put ly at the end of the word. For example, week. We will put ly at the end of the sentence, so it will change into weekly. So it is automatically changed into adverb. So likewise, all have been done for you. Now the next one is G. Fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs given below. So you can see in the box all the words have been, all the adverbs words have been given in it. So what you have to do, you have to pick the correct one and write down in the blanks. Already all have been done for you. Now homework for you is that you have to fill all the bookwork in your book. And it should be neat and in a good handwriting. And write all the words and all the sentences correctly in your book. Learn all the bookwork of English grammar for your coming exam. English grammar Book work should be done in the book only, not in the copy. I hope you understand the chapter and the book work. Thank you.